Pilsy here with you, professional trader at Star Prosper, where we empower stars all over the world so you can be the star in your life. Going to flip over to the chart and draw up the Euro-Dollar Bat Pattern, and it's one that I'm already currently involved in with the private client group. Win or lose, this is a good trade. Why? Because we followed our trading plan, and at the end of the day, that is where the profits are. Real quick, I want to do something different in this episode, and that's if you like this style of trading and want to see it over the shoulder, live trading done every single day, Monday to Friday, I invite you to come along and check out the live stream for a full 14 days, risk-free. To sweeten it, after you do, you immediately get access to everything I have that made myself and my current clients a consistently profitable trader. So link to that below. If you want to see more of what I mentioned, I'll do that after the Euro-Dollar Bat Pattern for those who are intrigued. Let's take a look at the trade opportunity here and appreciate all of you and grateful to share another episode with you. This is a really good opportunity as well, because for those of you who are students of price action and students of structure, you notice, if we come down here, this is our starting point up here, isn't it? We come down, we get a pullback here, and we come down again, and we have another pullback. Where do we pull back into? Look left, structure right here. Okay, now this level, there's an importance to this level here. Then price action comes all the way down like this, okay, giving us that swing high. Just trying to fix it up. Giving us that swing high to swing low right there. Now, this is the leg that we want to pay attention to here. And remember, the structure, if we drop in a line tool right there, we want to know this structure level plays a significance, because as price action comes up and tests that level, we know from past history that every single time price action tests this level, we get some kind of reaction out of it. We get some kind of reaction out of the markets. So by knowing that, we want this opportunity to get short. Let's grab a Fibonacci retracement tool, because what I see in front of me right now is a W formation. So we have swing high all the way down to swing low. Okay. Now we follow price action. What has price action done from here? We get a swing low to swing high. We've come up into a Fibonacci retracement at a 50% level. That means that we're on bat pattern alert. This is what we want to pay attention to, a bat pattern opportunity. We've come up into the 50%. So that's our condition one. What is number two when it comes to pattern trading? Well, we need price action to come all the way down to a minimum of a 382. So let's grab a Fibonacci retracement tool yet again and go from swing low to swing high right here. Swing low to swing high. You can see that price action comes down into the minimum of a 382. So that gives us condition two. We come all the way down into a 618 right there. So we have price action coming up into the 50%, and then we have price action coming all the way down into a 618 right there. Now, condition three of the bat pattern trade is we need a CD completion. So as we see right in front of us, okay, because right now we are at market with this trade. So we get a CD completion right there. So as price action comes up into our structure level, we complete our bat pattern opportunity. This is the area right there. We are at market right now to get short on this trade. It's exactly what we are going to do. Well, I'm already short in this, right? I'm already short in this in the live trading room. If I grab a Fibonacci retracement tool yet again, and we take it from our high right here all the way down to our low. So Fibonacci, swing high all the way down to swing low right there. you can see that price actions come up into the 886 right there. That is our CD completion. That has completed our condition 3. So the criteria is met. We have a valid bat pattern opportunity right now because we've come up into the 886. That means we are looking to short. So this is what it looks like. X to A to B right there. B to C, and then C to D right here. Actually, it's right at the 886 right there. Okay, so we are at market with this trade. Short opportunity right here. So we're going to short right now. Again, I'm already short here. We're going to grab our dealer thingy and boom, at market. This is where we're shorting right now on the euro dollar. Okay, so we need stops above the X point looking left, okay? We need to get stops above our cycle high right there, okay? So we have about, let's take a look. We have about 80 pips worth of risk for, let's do our targets right now. And for targets, all we're going to do, traditional pattern targets right here is we'll take a Fibonacci retracement from our swing low all the way up to our swing high right there. So let's grab a Fibonacci retracement tool and go from swing low all the way up right there. Remember, it's at the wicks of the candles, okay? Not at the body of the candle. When you're drawing the Fibonacci retracement using Fibonacci tools, it is always at the wicks of the candle, okay? So price action, we come all the way up right there. And what we're looking for target ones is a 382. So, we're almost a 2-to-1 on target one risk to reward here, which is insanely good with pattern trading, especially when you're half right on these. We have a 55 to 60% accuracy when it comes to pattern trading. So this is a phenomenal opportunity with this kind of risk to reward setup. It doesn't matter if we hit stops or targets on this. Because if we're half right, we want to take this trade every single time it presents itself. So this risk reward profile is really, really good. That's just on target one. So we come down into the 382. That is where we want to get out if we're right on this trade. Now, let's duplicate that, okay? Want to duplicate that because we're always going for double targets. We're always doing 2 targets, so 2 contracts. First one is at the 382 right there. And then with your second target, you want to drag that all the way down into the 618 right there. So target 1 is at the 382. And then target 2 is at the 618 right there. Stops are above the X point looking left, right? Right there. Why? Well, not every trade's a winner. So if we come up and retest these highs here, then we're going to cut our losses and just get out of the trade because, we're wrong initially on this move. If price action comes up and hits our stop, most likely we might come back down to retest that structure level, right? And then potentially, the market might be reloading from there and then heading up to new highs, which if we take a look, is all the way right up here, okay? All the way up at 112. If that's the case, we want to get out here. So, not out here, right? We want a really good risk to reward on this trade, and we do get that. Again, it's either going to hit our stop or hit our targets. Regardless, it is a good trade. And this is what we do in front of the private client group every day. There's a guy I'm working with at the moment. I met him 2 months ago. His name's Izzy. He's really quick, fast learner. He has some fantastic results right now because he follows the same principles. Before I started working with him though, just like any one of us trying to figure this out, is trying to get involved in different trade ideas, trying to get involved in different trade opportunities to make money in the markets. And you know what I'm talking about. We have a win here and then losses come through. We have another win and then more losses come through. And at that point, you're just banging your head against the wall, wanting to snap the laptop in half and throw it out the window. But we can't do that. We need it. How else will we make back all the money? We've all been there. Why? Because you're not implementing the same concept right here. Izzy goes through the material. He learns the strategy until we have it down to entry, stops, and targets, and then leaving price action to do its thing. It either hits the targets or hit his stop. That's it. Now, the result in doing that is it doesn't matter whether he buys or sells anymore. He will make money over time regardless, because he follows the same approach here that you have access to, by the way. That is what's on the other side of the 14-day trial. Risk-free. Again, if it is something that you desire to have, I highly encourage you checking it out. It's a bit cliche, but it's nothing to lose and everything to gain. You can sign up below if that's for you. Other than that, I'll wrap this up and get this out to you. And for those already a star trader, I'll see you inside the live trading room. For everyone else, I will see you on the next episode. Until then, be safe, enjoy life. I'll see you soon.